How y'all doing today? I'm making a YouTube video on how to show you how to make hot Cheeto mozzarella cheese sticks. The ingredients that you need is not that much. It's simple. All you're going to need is flour, eggs, the mozzarella cheese sticks, milk, and whatever spices you need to make it hot. I'm using hot sauce. I'm spicing mine up with some ranch spicy seasoning, which this ranch spicy seasoning, it has this one ingredient in it called cayenne, which I like ranch and it's spicy too with the cayenne, so you're going to need that. And you're also going to need paprika. The paprika is also going to help the hot Cheetos stay red. And you're also going to need a bag. You can use one bag, but if you just like these, you can just use more than one bag. And it doesn't have to be the puffs. It can be the crunchy flaming hot. It can be the what's those ones?
Flaming hot Cheetos.
It can be the flaming hot onion rings. Those, it don't have to necessarily be the puffs, but it can be those too. Okay, set that here. Now when it comes to the flour, you should use 3 cups of flour. You don't need any more than that. 4 eggs and a half a cup of milk. And once you put the milk and the 4 eggs together, you're going to whisk it till you get this kind of look, till it's all blended in. And now this bowl is for the hot Cheetos. And what you want to do is you want to take the hot Cheetos, pour them into the blender, which I have right here. And then what you want to do, you want to grind them all the way up. Now what you want to do, you want to take some paprika, just pour how much you want in there. This is no desired amount. It's just something that's just going to help it keep it spicy. If you ask me, I'll say this is about 3 tablespoons. Do the same thing, put this in there, like that. And if you want to add it just to make it, do about the same, 3 teaspoons of this as well. Put that there. And then you want to make it extra hot. Take some hot sauce and put the hot sauce in the eggs, because this is a liquid. It's already just couple, you know what I mean? Or however much you want, but that's good enough. It up. You want to mix it up like that. You want to get that consistency baked in there. And you just mix that in there a little bit. Mix that up. Now what you want to do, you want to take the mozzarella cheese stick, dip it in the flour like this. If it don't stick, just dip it, and come back here, dip it in here. Then dip it in the flour. Then dip it one more time, you re-dipping it. Just re-dipping it, what it's doing, you just helping it sticks real good. Just like that. Then you dip it one more time. And then you dip it in the Cheeto mix. Just like that. You can play with it, roll it, do it however you want. Just as long as you do it that way. And then wear gloves with this, because you see how this looks? And that's just one stick done right there. Now you're going to take another stick. You're going to do the same thing. I'm going to dip it. Excuse the little flour stuff on my hands, but it's going to be like that, folks. Dip it back in the flour. Re-dip it again. Dip it back in the flour. Dip it again in the butter. And then dip it back in the Cheeto mix. Just roll it however you want to do it. but just make sure you get this red stuff everywhere. And then you do that, you're done. Now once you get a couple of them in there, what you will want to do is stick them in the freezer for about 30 minutes, let them freeze, and once they do that, that gives the stuff to settle hard on there. So when you fry it, everything sticks together and the cheese is done the right way. So now we're about to take these and put them in the freezer for 30 minutes, and I'll be back to show you how it is after 30 minutes to fry. Now these been sitting in the freezer for about 30 minutes. Now I took them out, and now it's time to fry them. Normally you would deep fry these. I just chose not to because I ain't felt like pulling out the deep fryer and doing it. Roughly you want to cook these for about 2 to 3 minutes, I'll say, no longer than that. Because it's just cheese, all you're really doing is just cooking the outside, letting the outside harden. And you just rotate it. You see, they are done. And let me just take one and just open it up for you, that you see what it looks like. And that's how you make a hot Cheeto mozzarella cheese stick.